offers a unique opportunity to create space where it's most needed, underground. This approach not only saves valuable surface space, but also opens up new possibilities for urban planning. Imagine a network of underground tunnels that seamlessly connect different parts of a city. These tunnels can be used for transportation, utilities, and even pedestrian walkways, creating a more efficient urban environment.
AI is essential in making this vision a reality. Advanced algorithms and machine learning help us design and manage these complex systems with precision and foresight. It helps us plan and optimize underground infrastructure, ensuring that tunnels for transportation, utilities, and other purposes are integrated efficiently. This technology allows for better resource management and reduces the risk of errors.
This minimizes disruption to existing infrastructure and urban life. By carefully planning and executing these projects, we can maintain the flow of daily activities while improving the city's overall functionality. Imagine a city where traffic congestion is a thing of the past, and essential services are delivered through an invisible network beneath our feet. This vision of the future promises a more organized, efficient, and harmonious urban experience for all.
Section 5. Building better sustainability and efficiency through AI. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's an imperative. In today's world, the construction industry must adapt to new standards that prioritize the environment.
AI is helping us build tunnels in a way that minimizes environmental impact. By leveraging advanced algorithms, we can plan and execute projects with precision. By optimizing excavation processes, AI reduces waste. This not only conserves resources, but also cuts down on the carbon emissions associated with traditional methods, and minimizes the use of materials. Sustainable building materials are chosen to ensure that the environmental footprint is as small as possible. This makes tunnel construction more environmentally friendly. Green construction practices are becoming the norm, setting new benchmarks for the industry.
AI also helps make tunnels more energy efficient. By integrating smart systems, we can significantly reduce energy consumption. Smart lighting systems that adjust based on real-time conditions. These systems ensure that energy is used only when necessary, reducing waste. And ventilation systems that optimize airflow can significantly reduce a tunnel's carbon footprint. Efficient airflow management is crucial for maintaining a sustainable environment.
AI is paving the way for a future where underground infrastructure is not only efficient, but also sustainable. The integration of AI in construction is revolutionizing the industry. The future of tunnel engineering is a journey into intelligence, sustainability, and progress. It's about creating smarter, greener, and more resilient infrastructure.
It's about using technology to create a better future for our planet and generations to come. Together, we can build a world that thrives on innovation and sustainability.